Welcome to this deeply soothing, guided meditation, a tranquil journey that's poised to enrich your life in the most wonderful ways. As you prepare to embrace a restful night's sleep, let's delve into the powerful realm of gratitude, an enchanting force that has the potential to bring you boundless happiness, elevate your health, and even enrich your wealth. Imagine this session as a heartfelt conversation between friends, where I'm here to gently guide you toward a more grateful and fulfilling life. So, as you settle into your most comfortable position, whether lying down or seated, begin by taking a few gentle and calming breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing any remnants of stress or tension to effortlessly dissipate. The day is behind you, and this serene moment is all about you as the rhythm of your breath soothes your being. Allow your thoughts to turn toward the day that's drawing to a close. Reflect on the experiences that made you smile, the interactions that warmed your heart, and the achievements, both big and small, that colored your day with brilliance. Let's uncover the radiant tapestry of gratitude by exploring not just the present, but the future as well. Here are 20 reasons to embrace gratitude, not only for what has passed, but also for the dawn of a new day. 1. The gentle caress of a morning breeze that awakens your senses, the laughter that dances freely among friends, echoing the bonds that connect you, the vibrant sunrise that paints the sky, reminding you of the endless beauty in the world, the nourishing food that fuels your body and nourishes your soul, the wisdom gained from life's challenges, shaping you into a resilient soul, the embrace of loved ones, a testament to the profound connections that enrich your life, the opportunities that await, eager to unveil themselves as the day unfolds, the simple pleasures, like a warm cup of tea or the pages of a beloved book, the chance to learn and grow, nurturing the potential that resides within you, the comfort of a safe and welcoming home that shelters you, the gift of good health, allowing you to embrace each day with vitality, the privilege of being able to share your kindness and make a positive impact, the unfolding moments that remind you of the miraculous nature of existence, the capability to appreciate the beauty of both sunshine and rain, the abundance of possibilities, inviting you to shape your own destiny, the tranquility that descends upon the world as night embraces the day, the soothing melodies that serenade you into slumber, promising sweet dreams, the promise of tomorrow, a canvas upon which you can paint anew, the resilience that resides within you, guiding you through life's twists and turns, the infinite potential of gratitude to amplify your happiness, health, and even your wealth. Feel the warmth of gratitude unfurl within your heart as you acknowledge these blessings. With each breath, let it wash over you like a soothing balm, that nurtures your very being. Let it wrap around you like a soft, comforting blanket, reminding you of the boundless love and abundance that flows through your life. As you drift into the tranquility of sleep, carry with you the essence of gratitude. Know that this simple practice has the power to transform your days, infusing them with joy, health, and prosperity. You have the ability to shape your reality through the lens of gratitude, attracting positivity and abundance into every part of your life. Thank you for sharing this sacred space with me. May your night be filled with peaceful dreams and restful slumber, guided by the radiance of gratitude that resides within you.